In this video, we are going to see about useEffect hook in React.js. We are going to see only very basic of the useEffect, where we use, how it is going to be used. Okay, now we're just going to git bash here, and it's already in the desktop. I'm going to make a directory called useEffect, and I'm going to cd into useEffect. Then I'm going to open it in VS Code. Just use this Linux command so you will get practice to it. Ctrl+J to open terminal in VS Code. I'm gonna share some tips with this tutorial so that you can foster your development. I'm just going to switch into git bash. Okay, now we are going to create a React app using White because it is much faster than traditional React app. For that, I'm going to type npx create White latest to make the directory same, so I'm going to give dot. It's going to take some time, but not too longer. I'm going to select React, then JavaScript. If you want to use TypeScript, you can select TypeScript also, but now I'm going to choose JavaScript. Okay, now I'm going to npm install. Before that, we have to remove some default files. We don't need these styles. Just delete this app.js and make it simple. Also delete the styles in index.js. It's still loading, just wait for a moment. Okay, it's completed. Now I'm going to start the project. pm run dev. It's gonna open in Chrome. Press the control and click on the link. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna open console. That's all. Okay, useEffect. We are gonna import useEffect. When you use useEffect, the dependency arrays is very important. Unless if you don't use it, this is dependency array. If you don't put it here, this won't work. Okay. To explain this simply, I'm gonna create a button. On click. Sorry, syntax sorry. to declare the value of the state. We are going to sometimes the snippet won't work. It's just empty string. When we click on the button, we are gonna set state to clicked. Okay, whenever this change happens, it's gonna console log state. Okay, let's see what happened. Initially there is no console log here. When I click, sorry, I got backfired. That's okay. Let's see what's the wrong here. Okay, sorry. We need to put, because if we put the word variable name here, it's gonna track it, and whenever the change occurs, it's gonna console log. Okay. Now initially nothing is happened. I refresh, you can see it, but when I click the button, you can see it's clicked. This is one of use case to handle the side effects. The main function here is we are clicking the button, but when we click the button, some action is triggered using useEffect. Okay, we are gonna make API call using JSON placeholder. As JSON placeholder and take this. You can use this while you play with APIs. Okay, I'm gonna delete this first. Okay. Okay. First we need to declare data where we can access the data we are getting from API. Data state. Okay. Now we are gonna use useEffect. Then we're gonna create an async function, because we have to handle API calls in async function. Const fetch data function. It's an array of function. We need to specify async because it's an asynchronous function. Then to get response from the API call, wait, fetch, then we need to convert it into JSON, but we have to place it in try block, try catch. Then we simply set data dependency array every time. Then we need to call this async function. Then we're going to map this data dot map. We're going to get the item and return item dot title. I think it's going to give error. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the error occurred in a component. Okay, the data set. Okay, set it somewhere. Still not working. Got type with initialize it with array. Then I'm gonna convert this response to this JSON. For that, response JSON. Okay, we have to put right here also. Then we must we got the output. Yeah, we have to give key for everything. That is also gone. Okay, perfect. This is how we use useEffect. Also, how I found error previously made. Yeah, I used ChatGPT. You have been noticed that. Okay, it's very common among developers. Thank you for watching.